I'm Karen Somerville, Director of Angel Share Glass. The family business was co-founded by my father, Tom Young, and I now run the business with my husband, Emmet. We are based in Bridge of Allan in central Scotland, and we manufacture hand-blown, handcrafted, beautiful glassware. Within our expert team, we offer high-quality bespoke designs. From start to finish, everything we produce is unique. We produce practical designs which are elegant and innovative. Our customers range from hospitality, distilleries, visitor centres and retail events. We manufacture in Scotland, and all our products are finished and packed and dispatched from Bridge of Allan. Our small team is committed to quality, customer service and authenticity.